Proportion is the property of ratio in which two ratios are equal. Two equivalent ratios are always in proportional. Proportion is denoted by the symbol double colon, and they help us to solve for the unknown quantities of a ratio. A proportion can be written as A is to B proportion C is to D, which means AB ratio is equals to CD ratio of CD, where A, B, C, D are four non-zero quantities. Okay. For example, we have two ratios 3 is to 5 and 15 is to 25. If we simplify 3 is to 5, then we find the value of 0.6, and if you simplify the 15 is to 25 ratio in fraction form, we find the value 0.6. The both value are same, which denotes that the ratio are same, and so we call the ratio are in proportion. Now, types of proportion. First is direct proportion. Direct proportion describes that the relation between the two quantities which have the same relation, means if the first quantity is increasing, then the second quantity is increasing, and if the second or first quantity is decreasing, then the first or second quantity is decreasing. Thus the direct proportion is written as y directly proportional to x, or x directly proportional to y. For example, if the speed of a car is increasing and it covers a more distance in a given period of time, so speed and of car and distance travel is directly proportional. The speed of car is increasing and it covers the more distance is increasing, so they are directly proportional. The second is inverse proportional. Inverse proportion directs the relationship of two quantities in which one is increasing, then the other is decreasing, or the other is increasing, the first is decreasing. This is written or expressed as y inversely proportional to x. It is read as y inversely proportional to x, but it's written as y this proportion size and 1 by x. For example, the speed of vehicle is increasing, it will cover the fixed distance in less time. Here distance is fixed and the speed is increasing and time is decreasing, then the speed of car is inversely proportional to time taken. This written as speed of car proportional sign 1 by time taken.